Unraveling the kitchen mystery. Stir until combined. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unraveling a phrase that often puzzles cooks and language learners alike. Stir until combined. Whether you're following a recipe in English or just curious about the language, understanding this phrase can make a big difference. So, let's get stirring into the details. Stir until combined is a common instruction found in cooking and baking recipes. At first glance, it might seem straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. To stir means to move a spoon or other implement around in a liquid or other substance to mix it thoroughly. The word until indicates a continuation of action up to a certain point. And combined, in this context, refers to the point at which all the ingredients are mixed together well enough that they start to act as one, but not necessarily perfectly uniform or without any trace of individual ingredients. Understanding the phrase, stir until combined, is crucial for two reasons. First, it ensures that you follow the recipe correctly, resulting in a dish that tastes as it should. Overmixing or undermixing can drastically alter the texture and appearance of your final product. Second, it helps language learners grasp the importance of context in English phrases. The same words can have different meanings depending on where and how they are used. Let's look at some practical examples to see stir until combined in action. Imagine you're making a cake. The recipe might instruct you to mix the dry ingredients in one bowl and the wet in another. Then stir until combined when you mix them together. This means you should stir just enough to incorporate the dry ingredients into the wet, stopping before the batter becomes overworked and tough. Another example could be making a salad dressing. You might be instructed to stir until combined the oil, vinegar, and seasonings. Here, you stir until these ingredients form a cohesive mixture, even though they might separate later. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion around the phrase, stir until combined, and shown you the importance of precise language in both cooking and English learning. Remember, cooking is as much about following instructions as it is about intuition. And when it comes to learning English, context is key. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking and learning!